Mustang Coupe time here at Unique Specialty and Classics. 1967 Ford Mustang Coupe. As you can see, bright red car. Does have the black standard interior. This car has had a repaint and looks rather recent as far as the condition of it. Paint is in very nice shape, as you can see from the reflection off the lights above, the showroom behind me. Bright work matches the paint. Take a look at how nice this chrome is up front. Pony in the corral. How good that grill surround. All those bright pieces look good. Very, very nice looking car. Underneath the hood, 200 cubic inch inline 6. That is paired. Would be a C4 automatic transmission. This car does have power steering also. Now, if you want to check out the still pictures so you can see that engine bay, check out the undersides of the car, interior. Still pictures can be seen at uniqueclassiccars.com. Down below this video in the description, there's a link. Click on it. That's going to take you right there. And of course, you can call us too, 507-386-1726.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
Take a look up and down. Passenger side of this car, you can see it's not full of nicks, dings, scratches, and it's straight too. Take a look at how straight that car is up and down the side of it. I have some pictures at that angle also you'll be able to see. Now, interior would have been the black standard interior, like I said. So you got buckets, shifter on the floor. I do want to note I do have a little separation in that seam right there in that passenger seat. That's really the only real wear spot I've seen on the interior. Dash looks pretty much completely stock with the exception of an aftermarket, little nicer late model retro style radio in there. Now remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with the transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. It's riding on Uniroyal Tiger Paw radial tires. Again, take a look at the bright work in the back here. You can see how nice this chrome and everything is. Even the surrounds on the brake lights. All looking very, very nice. Again, still pictures. You want to check out the interior, trunk, engine bay, still pictures, uniqueclassiccars.com. Down below this video in the description, there's a link. Click on it. That's going to take you right there. Now, some of the service work that was just done on this car. It does have a new carb, new plug wires, front and rear brake hoses, and wheel cylinders all the way around also, as well as a new battery. So this car, get in it, turn the key, get ready to go. Speaking of that, we'll do it here just shortly. Take a look up and down the driver's side. You can also see how nice a shape the paint is in. Driver's side not all full of nicks, dings, or scratches either. A couple 6x9s in the rear deck here. And then you can also check out the bright work around the rear window. Very, very nice also. And rear window itself, not hazy, scratched, anything like that. You take this car to any of your local cruise-ins, shows, be proud to drive it. Door panels look stock. Take a look at the driver's seat over here. Yes. So looks in fine shape. Seat belt still intact, and of course rear seat also in nice shape. All right, let's go ahead and fire this up. We'll check out that engine bay. See how easily that starts. Fuel gauge does appear to work. Right up to a little under full. Oil pressure gauge also worked. Noticed that earlier. Alternator gauge looking good. And the temperature, I would assume that will come up when it warms up. Odometer reads 67,614. Kind of tough to confirm or deny if that's original or not, but this car has definitely went through what I would probably call a frame-on restoration with the repaint work that's been done. I also had the blower going, a little bit touchy on the switch, but the blower fan does work. And then I also had the wipers working fine earlier too. So just want to let you know the wipers do work, and the radio, if you want to see that work, I'll pop this for you. Pop it on a second there too. Radio also works great. It does have some speakers down the kick panel, as you can see there also. Of course, the dash, not all cracked up or faded from wear. That also looks good. Door closes nicely. Slip around to the back. What you'd expect to hear. 200 cubic inch, inline 6. Nice and smooth. All right, let's come up. I'm going to pause this a second. I want you to check out this engine bay because it looks awful nice and tidy under there too. All right, there you can see the new plug wires I mentioned. It also, just from looking earlier, looked like belts on it. Looked pretty fresh also. It was done recently. That fuel pump does not look old. I came over here and I noticed the noticed the alternator. It's awful fresh too. So this car's definitely had some nice maintenance done to it. Again, new battery, new carb was done here. Brake hoses, wheel cylinders all the way around. And also take a look under the hood. I mean, it's just, take this car and show it in any of your local events or have some fun driving it. Looking for a nice Mustang Coupe? There you go, 1967 Ford Mustang Coupe. Bright red, standard black interior. Give us a call, 507-386-1726. UniqueClassicCars.com. Down below this video in the description, there's a link. Click on it. It's going to take you right there. Now remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. We can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email.